Welcome to the interface tutorial for Chorus Call's iPresent. This tutorial will explain the functions of the iPresent user interface. The iPresent main screen can be divided into four main areas: the Meeting ID area, the Sharing area, the Chat area, and the User tabs. The Meeting ID area displays basic information about the conference, including the current time, the meeting ID, the meeting password if one is set, recording status, who is sharing data, question and answer, and voting status. The meeting area also contains audio setup options under the Audio Setup tab. A user can utilize this area to make an audio connection to the conference. You can have the system dial out to them by entering their phone number and clicking on the phone icon. When participants dial out to themselves, the audio and data connection will automatically be associated together. Users can also dial into the system using the provided phone number and passcode. Please note that if you dial into the audio portion yourself, you will need to combine your data and audio connections. To do this, press 123#. Enter the session ID followed by the pound key to combine your connections together. Associating your connection will label your participant with a data and audio connection icon. Associating audio and data will allow moderators to better control and monitor your meeting. The Meeting ID area also contains controls for the user webcam. If a conference member is sharing a webcam, a camera icon will appear next to the user's avatar. The video will show in the webcam panel from any person who is sharing their webcam. Only one camera can be viewed at a time. To view another user's webcam, click the left and right arrows to switch between views. To share your own webcam, click on the camera icon in the upper left corner of the webcam area. To activate self-view for your camera while in a conference, hover your cursor over the upper left corner of the video window and click the pin icon to pin your view in place. In addition to the webcams, the sharing area of the screen will allow you to view any information that is being shared by a moderator, such as their desktop or a program such as PowerPoint. The bottom area of the screen is the User tabs area. These tabs allow a moderator to control the many settings and features available in iPresent. Moderators of the meeting who are utilizing the installed iPresent client will have all options at their disposal, while participants will only be able to see the active users, voting, Q&A, and the local settings tabs. The chat area is located at the bottom left side of the User tab area. Clicking the Chat button will open the chat interface on the left-hand side of the screen. The chat window will expand as more messages are added in the chat queue. Simply type your message into the entry field and press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. Users can also chat privately amongst themselves. This is accomplished by clicking on the participant's avatar to bring up the Participant Context menu. Click on the Chat button located in the menu. The chat will now direct to a private chat between the two parties. If users need to return to chatting to the conference, simply click the arrow button and select Everyone out of the Chat selection menu, or click the Everyone button located at the top of the chat interface. Typed messages will again be shown to the entire meeting. Thank you for viewing the interface tutorial for Chorus Call's iPresent. If you have any questions, please contact a Chorus Call specialist.